Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Geared Up Garage, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using Geared Up Garage, and we're going to be using You Jumpstart My Heart along with the coordinating framelits. And I have a piece of silver foil. And I have my stamp mounted on clear block B. And I have my black STAZ on. And I'm just going to stamp it right here in the center, just like that. All right, and now I'm going to come in with my Big Shot. And I have my magnetic cutting platform down. Well, let's see. I have the coordinating designer series paper and the matching card. This card is this one right here in the corner. Let's see. All right. And now I have the black foil. And then this one with the silver foil. Oops, my car moved. All right, so we will make our sandwich. So we have our little car. All right, we will put this aside. And now this is also from the coordinating paper, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have the striped metallic ribbon. I'm just going to cut that. All right, and I'm going to come in with some regular tape. And I'm going to put this in the center. So just like that. All right, and I'm going to put this down with some SNAIL adhesive. And my card base is basic black, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. So just like that. And I forgot to tell y'all, I had put some adhesive sheet here on the back. So I'm going to put that right there. And then I'm going to pop this up with the Stampin' Demonstrator. Well, first I'm going to take the back off of this one as well. so I'm just going to center that just like that. And now I'm going to pop that up. Like that. And then I'm going to pop up my car as well. I made this card for my husband and my anniversary. It's on the 28th February. And he seemed to like it, so I went ahead and wanted to make a video. Alright, so there you have it, a quick and simple anniversary card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!